Hi everybody, welcome to Donut Day for the fall, our first fall Donut Day for the year. I just want to welcome everybody, and for those of you who don't know me, my name is Jessica. I'm the evening student advisor, and let's get started. Okay, so a few things for everybody to remember. Please continue to stay safe and strong. We hope everybody is doing well and is healthy. Please remember to follow the state health guidelines and protect yourself and your family. Please also practice social distancing, and thank you for your patience and understanding during these times. Also, please remember to continue to help others and be compassionate. Stay positive and optimistic. Remember that we are in this together. Our school hours for BIA are the following: from Monday to Thursday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Friday from 8 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. and then Saturday and Sunday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Please feel free to give us a call during these times, and if at any moment you need to pick up a book or a document, please let us know ahead of time so we can have those items ready for you before you get to the school. And we want to wish the new students a big hello and welcome. I hope that you enjoy your classes and really get to know the students and the teachers as well as the staff. Please remember to complete your orientation forms. Those are really, really important for you to review and sign. And also make sure that you receive your class link, your Zoom class link, as well as your Google Classroom link. Those are also important. If you need help with those, please let us know as soon as possible. And once again, if you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch with us. Quickschools is super important for all students to be familiar with and know how to access. There's a quick video for you to watch so you know how it works, and you'll be able to view your grades as well as your payment and how much you have to pay, and as well as your attendance.
Quickschools is a website BIA uses to track students' attendance and grades. To log on to Quickschools, you will receive an email link with a username and password to join. Click on the link in the email and you will be taken to your Quickschools profile login. Once you log into Quickschools, you will see your Quickschools student profile. Upon clicking View Complete Record, you can see your grades, attendance, and bills. Student Gradebook. You can see your current and past grades by clicking on the Gradebook tab. You can likewise see your attendance by clicking on the Attendance tab. Please remember that the blue means present in class, the light green or light blue means tardy, and the pink or red means absent. To view your attendance and academic probations, go to the Discipline tab. If you have any probations, you will see them under the Discipline tab. You can see your current or past bills by clicking on the Bills tab. You can see if your bill was recorded as cash, credit, or check. To check your transcript, go to the Transcript tab. In this tab, you can see all of the classes and more details that you have taken while at BIA. Please make sure that all of your contact information and your profile picture is up to date. If you have any more questions about how to use Quickschools, or you are having trouble getting into Quickschools, please email or call BIA. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope that this helps you.
Okay, a reminder, for this fall, we've moved from 4 weeks to 8 weeks. So one session now count as 8 weeks, okay? So that's a big reminder, 8 weeks, okay? So it's from August 31st to October 25th for this session, for the fall 1 session. Tuition payments. So there are 2 ways the students will be able to split their payments. So the first one, you can pay an installment, which means that for 4 weeks you can pay $480, and then the other 4 weeks you can pay the other half, which is the $480. Or if you wish, you can pay the full payment, which is $960 for the 8 weeks, and you can pay that the first week of the new session if that's what you would like to do. Please know that there are 3 ways to make your payment, which we'll be reviewing in our next slide. So the 3 ways to pay, you can either use Zelle, it's an app you can download, or you can give us a call and you can provide us with your card information over the phone. And then you also have the option to email us your card information and we can process your payment that way. Also prepared a video for you to watch, so please take the time to take a look at it and see how you can process the payments. Okay, so for this session, we have Labor Day as a holiday, which is September 7th. So this means that for the morning and evening schedule, you're only allowed to miss 16 periods. Okay, big reminder, 16 periods. The weekend students, you're fine for your full 19 periods. But please remember, because it's a holiday and it falls on a Monday, the morning and evening students, you have to be really mindful of your attendance, okay? Okay, for those students who their extended enrollment agreements are ending with us, either 9/27 or 10/25, please get in contact with us because you need to renew your contract if you plan to continue to study with us, which I hope you do. If you do not, please let us know why. We're really interested to know why you wouldn't want to continue, because we really want to keep everybody. But for those students who do need to extend their contract, please provide us with a new bank statement within the last 6 months, unless we already have an updated bank statement for you on file already. If you need any help with the contract, or you have any questions regarding how to extend, please reach out to us. We're more than willing to help. And here is our student advisor, Libby.
Hi, everyone. Thanks, Jess. So I am the student advisor for the morning. My name is Libby, and I'll be going over a couple more policies that we have here at BIA. Let's start by talking about our vacation policy. So we're leaving summer, but you still may want to take a vacation in fall or winter. So how long is it? Since our sessions are 8 weeks long now, all of our vacations are 8 weeks long. That is about 2 months, 8 weeks. And the way that you can do it is you need to study for 8 months, and then you can get the 2 months off. Keep that in mind, that vacations are longer. And because they're longer, the way that you come back to class is different. So when students come back from vacation, they might need to take a placement test to see if their level has changed. And maybe they need to change their schedule. So if you were studying in the morning, but we don't have your level available in the morning when you come back, you might need to go to the evening. Or if you're in the weekend, you might need to go to the evening. This is done to make sure that students are placed in the right level. Also, before you go on vacation, you will probably meet with a student advisor like me, Jess, or an academic manager like Stella. And we'll talk to you about all these changes so you know what's going on. Let's talk about our attendance rules. So now that each level is 8 weeks long, that's 2 months, it means you still need to have 80% attendance for each 8-week session. So if you don't have 80% attendance, if you fall below 80%, then you have attendance probation. You can miss 19 periods and 1 period tardy. That is the maximum amount you can be absent. 19 periods absent and 1 period tardy for each 8-week session. If you violate the attendance policy, like I said, dropping below 80% attendance, you have to repeat the level with an ILP. An ILP is an individual learning plan. And what that means is in the next session, you will have to change your schedule to repeat that level. Please try to avoid doing this. It's going to change a lot if you have to repeat. You're going to have to go to the weekend or go to the evening schedule, and it's going to mix everything up. Let's talk about the maximum consecutive absences. So what this means is how many days you're absent in a row for your schedule. So for the morning and evening, you can't have more than 9 full consecutive days of absences. So that would be morning and evening students, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Monday. That's 9 days absent. Once you reach 9 days, it equals termination. For the weekend, it's 7 days. So then that would be Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Friday, absent. That's 7 days, and that means termination. If you were absent 7 consecutive school days and you show up the 8th, it doesn't make a difference. It still means termination. So please be really careful with this. If for some reason you are missing weeks, missing like a whole week of class, please contact the school immediately. This is your status in some cases. It's really important. Tell us if you're not feeling well. Send us your doctor's note immediately. So probations and holidays. So if you have attendance violations, like we talked about, below 80%, if you have them for 2 consecutive 8-week sessions, it equals termination. So fall 1, attendance violation. Fall 2, attendance violation, termination. It's not good. You want to make sure that if you have bad attendance one session, the next session you do better. That's really important. And also, we only have a maximum of 2 attendance probations allowed for the entire time studying at BIA. So if I'm a student and I already have 1 attendance violation session, I can get another one, but I can't get 3. I can only have 2. Once you reach 3, and not consecutive, just 3 attendance violations in total, it equals termination again. So please be careful with your attendance, please, and be mindful if there's a holiday in your schedule. Like Jess said, we have a holiday in the evening and the morning schedule for fall 1 session. So you can only have 16 periods absent for those students. That means you need to be really careful with the days that you are off or that you miss class. And here we have Stella, the academic manager, and she will talk to you about more academic things. I hope you guys are doing well. I really miss you guys. I miss being able to see you in person. And please take care. Please stay safe and healthy. Bye.
Hello, everyone. I am Stella. I hope you're doing well. And I also hope that you enjoyed your summer break. I'm going to go over at some academics changes for fall 1. All right, so in order to pass your level, you need to have 75% of your final grade by the end of the 8-week level. If you do not have 75%, you will have to repeat your level on an 8-week academic probation with an individual learning plan. Also, in order to pass your level, you need to have 80% of attendance by the end of the 8-week level. If your attendance is not at 80%, you have to repeat the level on an 8-week academic probation with an individual learning plan. So teachers for every schedule will have 2 roll calls every period. Roll call number 1 happens at the period start time. Roll call number 2 happens 15 minutes into the period. So your teacher will do attendance 2 times. So students are present for the period if you are in class on time when the period starts. You are also present if you have your camera on. Students are tardy when they arrive to class from 1 to 15 minutes late. You will be marked tardy. If you arrive to class 16 minutes later, you will be marked absent. You also will be marked absent if you do not have your camera on. If you have your camera off, you will be marked absent. You will also be marked absent if you leave class 16 minutes early. Our attendance policy for online learning, okay? So in order to be marked present in class, you must participate in your Zoom classes throughout the entire class, okay? And teachers, put a lot of work into running their classes, and they expect students to stay engaged and participate throughout the class time. Okay, let's go over participation rule. Your teacher will call you throughout each period and will expect verbal responses from students when they are called on. If a student is not verbally responsive after being called on 3 times, that student will be marked absent for that period. So please respond verbally to your teacher. If you are having audio problems or internet problems, please on the chat, communicate with your teacher. Let your teacher know. Please notify your teacher for any quick breaks from class, for example, bathroom breaks, to avoid confusion. For safety reasons, we want you to put your name on Zoom before you enter your class, okay? It is very important so that teachers know that you are in class, because if you put a nickname or you just put your mobile name, it might create confusion and maybe the teacher can also mark you absent. So please, you should set a name before you enter your classroom. Responding to emails respectfully. Please read the emails that we sent you. When you respond to an email, please do it respectfully. We treat students with respect and we expect the same from students. Please use our school email or phone number with concerns or questions. We do not have WhatsApp, so please do not use this app when you communicate with us. Please email us at biaboston@gmail.com or call us at 617-901-0723. Extra credit, yay! Google quiz. So after your donut day video, you will receive a quiz for extra credit. It is not mandatory, it is optional. So please check your email for the quiz. Good luck. So please follow us on social media. We have Facebook and we have Instagram. Bye guys, I hope to see you soon. Bye.